about we just play this? If you get hit, you have to go back to your shovel to regenerate.
All right.
Okay.
So that way, so there's not really any free area.
All right. Here we go.
Mark, get set, go.
You're about to have a snowball fight. Ah, take that! Okay. Dallin made this snow fort. There are snowball statues everywhere. I better leave so I don't get
Run, Claire, run! I have to go back to my shovel.
Anyway, Ava's over there. Good, she's safe. Okay. Good job, Ava. Gonna see Grandma.
Well, get over there, Diane.
I'm taking pictures.
We're filming the fight. We want to see out who comes out triumphant. William is over on their team with Dan and Blair. And Dan is over on their team with Mo and Dallin. We'll see how this goes.
Yeah. Hi, Xander.
See you later. With Grandma and Grandpa. Bye.
Oh, these are big chunks.
Sneak up on him, Mo. Or Ava, sneak up.
Yeah, you can come on our team.
Mom, do you like Ava's gloves?